What did Arvind Kejriwal say when he was entering the court? Kejriwal says that his life is dedicated to the nation, be it in jail or outside. We have that sequence coming in a short while from now. All right, we have that sequence ready with us. Let's play that out for our viewers.
इनसे कुछ कहना है, कोई संदेश सर?
मेरा जीवन देश के लिए समर्पित है और चाहे अंदर हो या बाहर देश के लिए काम करना है।
अब इनसे कुछ कहना है, कोई संदेश सर?
मेरा जीवन देश के लिए समर्पित है और चाहे अंदर हो या बाहर देश के लिए काम करना है।
अब इनसे कुछ कहना है, कोई संदेश सर?
मेरा जीवन देश के लिए समर्पित है और चाहे अंदर हो या बाहर देश के लिए काम करना है।
अब इनसे कुछ कहना है, कोई संदेश सर?
मेरा जीवन देश के लिए समर्पित है और चाहे अंदर हो या बाहर देश के लिए काम करना है।
अब इनसे कुछ कहना है, कोई संदेश सर?
मेरा जीवन देश के लिए समर्पित है और चाहे अंदर हो या बाहर देश के लिए काम करना है।
So you heard Arvind Kejriwal. He says, मेरा जीवन देश के लिए समर्पित है, चाहे वो अंदर हो या बाहर. We have our colleagues joining us on this broadcast, Bhavtosh and Priyank. I'd like to go across to Priyank first. All eyes are on that hearing that's currently underway. The ASG SV Raju, arguing for Enforcement Directorate, has made some very, very stinging comments and has put in some submissions. One of the biggest takeaway coming in today, the ED first time in court has called Arvind Kejriwal the kingpin and key conspirator. It has gone on to say that Arvind Kejriwal sought kickbacks and he was instrumental in formulating the liquor policy. Right now, it's Abhishek Manu Singhvi who's arguing for the Aam Aadmi Party, and he is asking where is the evidence and what are the specific proofs against Arvind Kejriwal. Priyank, take us through what's happening in the court.
See, right now, Abhishek Manu Singhvi has appeared on behalf of Arvind Kejriwal. He is the one who's defending him, has once again continuing his argument, although he has said that the law stringent, the bail provisions are so stringent that we will be dealing with a few of the factors. Our colleague Rame has sent a few more pointers which we would like to tell you to our viewers, that Abhishek Manu Singhvi has said that I will only deal with 3 people now. Sharad Reddy, he says that no amount was transferred to Aurora, and next day after his arrest, times goes on, the man was suffering, and 5 months later, later on he was granted bail, and the STA record has said no opposition has not opposed bail. So basically they are pointing towards all those allegation and the statement which has been given by the approvers in this case, and also those co-accused who have given the name of Arvind Kejriwal. K. Kavita is still being under the investigation. She is in the police remand of the Enforcement Directorate. So Abhishek Manu Singhvi is trying to hint towards that those statements which has been given by the co-accused should not be taken on face value. That's a basic summary which we can manage to get after listening to
courtroom
what is being
exchange
said.
there going on between Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who's arguing for Arvind Kejriwal, and we also got you details of what ASG Raju told court while arguing for the Enforcement Directorate. Bhavtosh and Priyank, please stay with us. We'd like to play out that sequence of Arvind Kejriwal once again, where he goes on to say that his life is dedicated to the nation, be it him being in jail or out of jail. Listen in.
अब इनसे कुछ कहना है, कोई संदेश सर?
मेरा जीवन देश के लिए समर्पित है और चाहे अंदर हो या बाहर देश के लिए काम करना है।
अब इनसे कुछ कहना है, कोई संदेश सर?
मेरा जीवन देश के लिए समर्पित है और चाहे अंदर हो या बाहर देश के लिए